Have you ever wondered how you could kickstart your weight loss journey while also detoxifying your body? In today's fast-paced world, the quest for a healthy lifestyle often takes a backseat. We're constantly inundated with quick fixes and fad diets that promise miraculous weight loss, but often at the expense of our overall well-being. But what if we told you there's a way to not only lose weight, but also cleanse your body from the inside out? Enter the 7-Day Detox Plan, a comprehensive yet simple approach that aims to jumpstart your weight loss journey while also detoxifying your body. This plan isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about resetting your system, giving it a fresh start, and laying the groundwork for a healthier lifestyle. But why is detoxification so important? Well, every day we're exposed to a myriad of toxins, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Over time, these toxins accumulate and can impact our health in significant ways, leading to issues such as fatigue, skin problems, and even weight gain. Detoxification aids in flushing out these toxins, leaving you feeling revitalized and refreshed. The 7-Day Detox Plan is designed to do just that. It's a holistic approach that covers all aspects of your diet, from hydration and fiber intake to protein boost and balanced eating. It's not about depriving yourself or surviving on lettuce leaves for a week. Instead, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods and beverages that aid in detoxification and weight loss. And the best part? This plan is flexible and can be tailored to suit your individual needs and preferences. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a guide that you can adapt to fit your lifestyle. So if you're ready to take control of your health, let's delve into this 7-Day Detox Plan. Together, we'll explore the components of the plan, providing you with the tools you need to start your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Day 1 of your detox plan is all about hydration. But why is hydration so crucial? Well, water is the vehicle your body uses to flush out toxins. It's like the body's very own cleaning service, sweeping through your system and taking all the waste products with it. More than half of your body is composed of water, making it a vital component for all of your body's functions, including digestion and metabolism. Now, let's talk about weight loss. You might be surprised to know that water can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. When your body is well hydrated, your metabolism functions at its best. This means your body can efficiently burn fats and sugars, helping you shed those unwanted pounds. Plus, water has the added benefit of helping you feel full, which can curb overeating and unnecessary snacking. So, how do you maximize hydration on day 1 of your detox plan? The answer is simple. Drink lots of water. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. But remember, the more, the merrier. But don't worry if you're not a fan of plain water. You can also opt for herbal teas. They're a great way to stay hydrated, and they come with their own unique health benefits. For example, green tea is packed with antioxidants, while chamomile tea is known for its calming properties. Another tip is to start your day with a glass of warm water and a squeeze of fresh lemon. This simple concoction not only helps kickstart your metabolism, but also aids in digestion and boosts your immune system. In the midst of all this, it's important to listen to your body. If you're feeling thirsty, that's your body's way of telling you it needs more water. So don't ignore those signals. Remember, hydration is key, so keep that water bottle close by. Day 2 is when we start to introduce some solid foods, but with a twist. Welcome to the Veggie Cleanse. This isn't just about weight loss. It's about rejuvenating your system, flushing out toxins, and giving your digestive tract a much-needed rest. It's time to let those vegetables shine. The benefits of a veggie cleanse are numerous. First, it's an excellent way to pack in nutrients. Vegetables are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body's natural detoxification processes. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, which can help kickstart your weight loss. Secondly, a veggie cleanse can help retrain your taste buds. After a day of only consuming vegetables, you may find that processed foods and sugary snacks lose their appeal. This can make it easier to maintain healthy eating habits long after the cleanse is over. So what does day 2 look like? The focus is on consuming only vegetable-based meals. That's right, no processed foods, no added sugars, just fresh, wholesome vegetables. Breakfast could be a green smoothie packed with spinach, cucumber, and celery. For lunch, consider a colorful salad with a rainbow of veggies. Dinner might be a hearty vegetable soup or stir fry. And for snacks, crunchy carrot sticks, juicy cherry tomatoes, or crisp bell pepper slices. Remember, variety is key. Different vegetables offer different nutrients, so aim to eat as wide a range as possible. And don't be afraid to get creative. Ever tried zucchini noodles or cauliflower rice? Now's the time. Of course, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid digestion and help flush out toxins. Herbal teas and vegetable juices can also be included, but steer clear of fruit juices, as they can be high in sugar. And finally, listen to your body. If you're feeling hungry, eat. This isn't about deprivation, it's about nourishment. It's about treating your body with the respect it deserves. So, let's get creative with those vegetables. Welcome to day 3, where we sweeten things up a bit. Now that you're hydrated and your system is loaded with the goodness of veggies, it's time to add some natural sweetness to your detox plan. Fruits, being high in fiber, water, and various beneficial compounds, make them very weight loss friendly. They are also notably effective at getting rid of toxins in the body. Let's start with something refreshing, like watermelon. Watermelons are not just deliciously sweet, but they're also packed with water, making them excellent for hydration. Their high fiber content also aids in digestion and detoxification, helping your body eliminate unwanted toxins. Next, we have citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts your immune system and brightens your skin. They also stimulate the liver, your body's primary detox organ, and enhance its cleansing processes. Berries are also a great choice. These little fruits are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. They help in reducing inflammation, boosting digestion, and supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Now, how about some tropical fruits like pineapples and papayas? These fruits contain unique enzymes that aid digestion and help break down proteins that can often cause bloating and discomfort. For day 3, your meals and drinks will revolve around these fruits. Start your day with a mixed fruit salad or a smoothie. For lunch, how about a citrus-infused salad? Come dinner time, a fruit platter with a variety of your favorite fruits can be a delightful meal. Remember, the whole idea is to keep it simple yet effective. These fruits can be consumed in their natural form as juice or even infused in water. However, consuming whole fruits is preferable as they contain fiber, which is an essential part of a healthy detox plan. And there you have it. Day 3 of your detox plan is all about enjoying the natural sweetness of fruits and reaping the benefits they provide for detoxification and weight loss. Enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits and their detoxifying benefits. Day 4 is all about giving your body a much-needed protein boost. Protein, as many of us know, plays a pivotal role in our bodies. But did you know it's especially significant when you're trying to lose weight? Protein aids in weight loss in a couple of key ways. First, it helps to increase satiety, meaning you feel fuller for longer after meals. This reduces the likelihood of reaching for those unhealthy snacks in between meals. Second, protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass. When you're shedding pounds, you want to ensure that what you're losing is fat, not muscle. Including enough protein in your diet helps your body to preserve muscle mass, even as you lose weight. Plus, muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest, so maintaining your muscles can help accelerate your weight loss journey. Now, let's talk about the protein boost on day 4 of our detox plan. Today, we'll be incorporating lean protein sources into our meals. This doesn't mean you need to start grilling steaks for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Instead, think about lean sources of protein like chicken breast, turkey, fish, eggs, or plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. These can be easily added to salads, stir-fries, or even smoothies to give your meals a protein punch. Don't forget about protein-rich snacks either. Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or a protein shake can help keep hunger at bay between meals. And remember, while we're focusing on protein today, it's still important to keep up with your hydration, fruits, and veggies that we've been emphasizing in the previous days of our detox plan. So let's power through day 4 with the help of protein. Allow it to fill you up, fuel your muscles, and aid in your weight loss. It's not just about slimming down, but about creating a healthier, more balanced you. Remember, protein is essential for your body, especially during a detox. Day 5 of our detox plan puts the spotlight on fiber. Fiber is the secret weapon in our detox arsenal that is often overlooked, yet It's a vital part of a healthy diet and plays a critical role in weight loss and digestion. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body cannot digest. Unlike other carbs, it doesn't break down to provide energy. Instead, it passes through your body, helping regulate your body's use of sugars and keeping your hunger levels in check. Let's delve into the benefits. Firstly, fiber aids in digestion by adding bulk to your stool, which helps food move smoothly through your digestive system. This can help prevent digestive problems such as constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Secondly, fibrous foods tend to be less energy dense, meaning they have fewer calories for the same volume of food. This is great news if you're trying to lose weight because you can eat a larger volume of food without consuming too many calories. Moreover, fiber-rich foods usually take longer to eat and less quickly digested, making you feel full for longer. This can help control your appetite and reduce unnecessary snacking, which is a common pitfall in weight loss efforts. Now let's talk about day 5 of our detox plan. On this day, your diet should be packed with high-fiber foods. Think beans, peas, lentils, broccoli, berries, avocados, whole grains, and nuts. These foods not only provide fiber but also come packed with a host of other nutrients that will keep you feeling energized and satisfied. Remember, the goal is not just to lose weight but also to nourish your body. So when you're filling your plate, think variety. Try to incorporate as many different types of high-fiber foods as you can. This way, you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients, and your meals will be more enjoyable. So let's fill up on fiber and keep things moving smoothly. Not only will this help you shed those extra pounds, but it will also set you up for better digestive health. It's time to embrace the power of fiber. Day 6 introduces healthy fats into our detox plan. Having healthy fats in our diet is crucial for our overall well-being. They not only play a vital role in managing the body's energy levels, but also aid in nutrient absorption, hormone production, and even weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. Consuming healthy fats can indeed assist in weight loss. How, you ask? Well, healthy fats help keep you satiated, preventing overeating and unnecessary snacking. But it's important to distinguish between healthy fats and unhealthy fats. Unhealthy fats, like those found in fried foods and processed goods, can lead to weight gain and other health issues. On the other hand, healthy fats, which are unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish, are great for our health. Now let's dive into day 6 of our detox plan. For breakfast, we kickstart the day with a smoothie made with avocado, a fantastic source of healthy fats, along with some spinach and a dash of honey for sweetness. This will not only satiate your morning hunger but also provide you with an energy boost. For lunch, we go with a salmon salad, complemented by some olive oil dressing. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are a type of healthy fat that is great for heart health. The olive oil adds another layer of healthy fats to the meal, making it a perfect midday meal. For the evening snack, a handful of mixed nuts will do the trick. Nuts are packed with healthy fats and protein, which will keep you full until dinner. And finally, for dinner, a beautifully cooked piece of grilled chicken with a side of mixed vegetables drizzled with a touch of flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is another excellent source of healthy fats. Incorporating these healthy fats into your meals can make a significant difference in your health and weight loss journey. Remember, not all fats are bad. It's all about choosing the right ones. Finally, we've reached day 7, our day of balanced eating. This day is all about making the most of everything we've learned over the past 6 days and combining it into a balanced diet. It's like creating a beautiful symphony with all the elements of proper nutrition, each playing its part harmoniously. You see, balanced eating is not just about losing weight, it's about maintaining it too. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients and keeping it healthy. It's about ensuring you have enough energy to go about your day and enough strength to keep you going. So, what does balanced eating look like on day 7? It's a delightful mix of hydration, vegetables, fruits, proteins, fibers, and healthy fats. Start your day with a glass of water or a fruit infusion, just like we did earlier this week. Follow this up with a breakfast that is rich in protein to keep you energized. For lunch, have a colorful plate of veggies, sprinkled with your choice of healthy fats like avocado or a drizzle of olive oil. Don't forget to include a good source of fiber in your meal, maybe a serving of brown rice or quinoa. As for dinner, mix and match your favorites from the past 6 days, ensuring you have a balance of all the elements. maybe a fillet of salmon for protein and healthy fats, a side of steamed broccoli for fiber, and a sweet fruit salad for dessert. Snack on nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. Remember, the idea is not to starve, but to nourish. Balanced eating is about understanding your body's needs and fulfilling them in a way that is both healthy and satisfying. It's about creating a lifestyle that is sustainable and enjoyable. So, as we wrap up this 7-day detox plan, let's not forget the essence of it all. It's not just a one-week affair, but a stepping stone towards a healthier lifestyle. Congratulations on completing the detox plan. Remember, balanced eating is key to maintaining your health and weight loss. Now that we've successfully navigated through our 7-day detox plan, let's review the key points. We kicked off our detox journey with a focus on hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential not just for weight loss, but for overall health. It aids digestion, keeps our skin glowing, and flushes out toxins from our bodies. Next, we embraced the power of veggies. Vegetables are low in calories, yet packed with vital nutrients and antioxidants. They help to cleanse our bodies, making us feel lighter and healthier. Then we infused our diet with fruits. These natural sweet treats are not just delicious, but they're also rich in essential vitamins and fiber. They help to curb our sweet cravings and keep our digestive system running smoothly. We also didn't forget about protein. Often overlooked in detox plans, protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass during weight loss. It also aids in satiety, helping us to feel full and avoid overeating. Then we took a deep dive into fiber. Fiber is the unsung hero of weight loss. Not only does it help to maintain a healthy digestive system, but it also aids in controlling our hunger and stabilizing blood sugar levels. We explored healthy fats too. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad. In fact, healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil can aid in weight loss and promote heart health. Finally, we emphasized the importance of balanced eating. It's not about deprivation. It's about nourishing our bodies with all the nutrients they need. Remember, this 7-day detox plan is just the beginning. It's a stepping stone towards a healthier lifestyle. The real magic happens when we continue to make these healthy choices beyond the detox week. It's not just about losing weight quickly, but about sustained weight loss and overall health benefits. So, keep these key points in mind as you continue your health journey. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make the most of this detox plan and embark on your journey to a healthier you.